Hey everyone, good evening. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science channel for unlimited learning. Today we are going to continue the programming basics, and more specifically today we are going to learn what is a string and how to access it using the pointer. Plus we are going to see what is aliasing, and third thing we will be seeing is functions. Let's see how we can go ahead and get along today. Before we start the session, let me introduce myself for those members जो मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, the members who don't know about me. My name is Vishvadeep Gothi and I'm working as a channel leader for this YouTube channel. I work as a Plus Educator on Unacademy platform also, and this is my profile. Guys, if you have the target to learn, we have the content for you, the strategies for you, and everything for you so that you can continue your learning. The courses, strategies, machine learning, puzzles, interview preparation, and everything you have here on this channel. Just explore the playlist and video sections of this channel. You will enjoy a lot. You will learn a lot. Apart from that, you will have lots of sessions on Unacademy, free special classes also. These are absolutely free. You'll have to just create your account on Unacademy Learner app or unacademy.com, and you'll have to just follow my profile in GATE ESE category so that you can follow my all the special classes. Previously taken special classes here you can access, plus you can take my all the upcoming live free classes also, and those classes are so interactive. Polls feature is there, you can download the lectures, there are so many features are there. Enjoy those features and enjoy the learning unlimitedly. If you have the target of GATE exam preparation, then as of now you will not understand that your GATE exam preparation should have what and should have not what. For that you need, of course, some experts who can tell you that you are doing this as wrong and this as correct. You should have some kind of learning in such a way that one time you put efforts for one topic and one learning, and after that you will just get the perfect understanding of the topic so that you can solve the tough, new and very different type of questions in GATE exam. Just because a small mistake, answer is wrong, another small mistake in another topic, answer is wrong, and such kind of multiple mistakes can make your result from 60 marks to just 40 marks or lesser than that also. So how exactly you can have such preparation which is error free, which is mistake free, and which is so efficient? We provide you on Unacademy Plus. You'll be getting live classes, weekly test, daily practice problems, structured courses, unlimited access of the different batches, plus quizzes every weekend between the courses, and you'll be having learning in such a way that you can enjoy the best learning with the best educators, guidance of educator along with the courses. If you want that, sir, we just want to consume the topics, nothing else we want. We want somebody to work for us as a personal basis, and we will just prepare and understand and practice, nothing else we will do. Then you should go for Iconic subscription. In Iconic subscription you will get all the benefits of Plus and a personal coach who will be working on you and your preparation and your performance on one-on-one basis, so that the personal coach can prepare your preparation strategy, customize the study plan, can track your performance. You will get its study booster session, personalized test analysis, and everything personally you will be getting, which can help you concentrating on your preparation rather than just thinking what to do, what next to do, nothing else you'll have to think. Plus you'll be getting extra doubt clearing educators. This is of course very beneficial when you have lots of doubts, and preparation study material also you'll be getting. So you have multiple durations plan plus an Iconic, whichever duration plan you want to select, and ultimately use this code VDEEP10 so that you can get 10% instant discount, plus my personal guidance, plus my team's support, and an offer. Offer is, if you take 12-month subscription, 3 months extra you'll be getting. Why this will be needed? Just because just now whoever has passed GATE 22 those fellas are now preparing for interviews for admission in IITs, and those fellas are preparing for PGEE type exam of IIIT Bangalore, etc., etc., etc. Now, how they will prepare after GATE exam is completed? They will either prepare from free sources or they'll prepare from plus. If you will be preparing from plus, of course it will be benefited. So for next 2-3 months, if you will have extra extended subscription, of course it will help you preparing for other thing. If you are getting 57 marks, let's say 61, 62 marks, with that 62 marks, you can enter into IISc after cracking an interview. You can enter into really top college, any top college with some interview. For that, you'll have to prepare your courses which you have learned for the GATE preparation, and that is what these particular sessions will be needed for. So 24 plus 4 months subscription, you'll be getting extra subscription added into your account immediately, and these offers are only up to 25th of Feb. New batches also started for GATE 23 droppers, GATE 24 and GATE 23 regular students. So you can join these batches. You can see top educators of country are going to teach you the best courses possible. Are you studying from Unacademy? Studying or teaching? सब लोग जानते हैं आपको. अच्छा यार, मुझे नहीं पता है कि सब लोग जानते हैं, तो कम से कम अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना सही रहता है. आपको भी कहीं ना कहीं पहली बार पता चला होगा ऐसे ही सेशन से कि मैं कौन हूं. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग जो मुझे देखते हैं उन्हें समझ में आ जाता है कि मैं कौन हूं. थैंक यू फॉर टीचिंग OS एंड COA. दैट्स इट. आई एम टीचिंग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली DBMS ऑल्सो दिस ईयर. चलो स्टार्ट करें. This is the regular question. Every time, same to same question, same to same slide, every time asking same question and you'll have to answer. Ready? Session को like कर देना अगर पसंद आए, मजा आए तो, and then let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. First of all, the session will be starting with the string. What is a string? First of all, let me talk about arrays. Yesterday, I have explained about array. Yes or no? You understood? समझ में आया क्या? एरे समझ में आ गया था पूरा? जल्दी बताओ. एवरीथिंग अबाउट योर एरे यू अंडरस्टूड? ओके, वन थिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एरेज. हाउ टू इनिशियलाइज एन एरे. Initialization of array means in an array you want to give some initial values. So to initialize an array, what you'll have to write is like this. Let's say you have an integer array of size 5. You want to initialize it, then equal to, now multiple values are there in the array. Na? You cannot write single value. You'll have to write multiple values. Kyun? Array mein multiple values are there. So what you'll have to write? You'll have to write those 5 values in the curly braces and semicolon. So let's say if you are writing 2, 6, 9, 5 and 4. What happens? An array is created on the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be the indexes you will be having in the array. 5 size. Array index starts from 0. Now what happens? The first element will be 2. Second element, index number 1, will have element 6, 9, 5 and 4. So if you access A of 2, you will access value 9 or this particular value. So this is what the array initialization is. So if, sir, you are saying that integer array can be initialized, then character array also can be initialized. Yes. अगर आप कह रहे हो सर कि इंटीजर एरे को इनिशियलाइज कर सकते हो तो कैरेक्टर एरे को भी कर सकते हो. बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप कैरेक्टर and value integer, instead of that you make value character. That's it. Let's see. So if you have a character type array, let's say ch, array size is 5. Now you will have to have 5 characters. Okay, if you don't know about this, then let me tell you one thing, dear students. Character value will be represented always enclosed in the single quote. कोई भी कैरेक्टर वैल्यू अगर आपको लेना है, जैसे ये इंटीजर वैल्यू थी 2, 6, 9, ऐसे अगर कैरेक्टर वैल्यू को लिखना है तो उसे सिंगल कोट में लिखते हैं. सिंगल कोट में लिखते हैं. ठीक है. तो व्हाट यू विल राइट? यू विल राइट फर्स्ट, लेट्स से आई हैव रिटन HELLLO. So 5 characters I have written. 5 characters I have written. What happens? An array will be created. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be the indexes. First index is capital H. Next index value is E. Next is L. Next is L. Next is O. ऐसे आपका ये एरे बन जाएगा. बताओ समझ में आई बात? यस कि नो? Did you understand this? Yes or no? Okay. Now one more thing is there. If you are initializing any array, let's say like this way, and even if you don't give the size, there will not be any error. अगर आपने यहां पे साइज नहीं भी दी ना तो एरर नहीं आएगी. क्यों नहीं आएगी? Just because you are initializing. So when you initialize the array and if you don't provide the size here, what your system will do, your system will automatically take the default size. Default size means how many elements you are initializing? 5. Automatically size 5 will be taken. How many characters here? 5. Automatically ch will be taken as size 5. जैसे कि एक तो क्या होता है, आप अपनी एक मूवी देखने के लिए जाते हो, है ना? मूवी में बहुत भीड़ है. Too much rush is there. So whenever you reach to the counter, the person will ask how many members, how many tickets. You will say 5 tickets and the person will give 5 tickets. But let's say the theater is fully open. Nobody is there. Everybody and nobody is there. You are going, nobody is there in the queue, etc. You are going and 5 members the person is seeing, giving you directly 5 tickets. Ye lijiye sir 5 tickets. Why? Just because nobody is there in the theater at all, no any crowd, the person can see you guys are 5 people, you will need 5 tickets automatically. What happens in this case? What happens in this case? Automatically size 5 will be taken. अभी आप बोलोगे कि सर ये तो बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाएगा. This is so hectic to write such kind of small one single character and single quote. इतने single quote कौन लगाएगा? 5 characters 10 single quote. To write means type it down. Of course it's a hectic process, not so handy process. So instead of that, they have given another option. They have given another option. You can define your array similarly like this. Instead of writing this each single character separated by comma and enclosed in single character or single quote, you can write every single character along in double quote. But there will be a huge difference from here to here. बहुत बड़ा difference आ जाएगा यहां से यहां में. Or what will be that difference? The difference will be this is a normal character array and this will become string. ऐसा क्या कर दिया सर? The thing is, when you are making like this way a character array, fine, I understand that index number 0 taken as capital H implicitly. First, next one is E. Index number 1 is E. Index number 2 is L. Index number 3 is L. Index number 4 is O. But apart from that, one more character will be added implicitly. यहाँ पे एक और कैरेक्टर ऐड हो जाएगा implicitly और उसका नाम है null character. क्या नाम है? null character. And that null character will be represented by \0. This is a single character only, \0. So what happens in this case? When you make this, a null character automatically will be added in your character set, character array, and this time it will not be 5, it will be 6 as the actual size of the array taken. 5 index last one. तो array की जो implicit size जो रहेगी वो कितनी ले लेंगे हम लोग? Size 6. क्यों? 5 for the character, 1 for the null character. अब ये सर null character add क्यों किया? null character इसलिए add किया ताकि वो denote कर पाए कि string यहां से खत्म शुरू हुई है, यहां खत्म हुई है. The null character is taken just because to inform, to specify to the system that our string will end here. यहां पे जाके string खत्म हो गई है हमारी, क्योंकि जब हम string को read करते हैं, whenever we read the string at that time, sorry, what happens, the string will be read by a single statement. परसेंटेज s लगा के हम स्ट्रिंग को रीड करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन में कंपाइलर नल इंसर्ट नहीं करेगा ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि आपने सिंगल सिंगल कैरेक्टर दिए हैं, यहां पे करेगा. एंड दिस बिकम्स स्ट्रिंग, क्योंकि यू आर हैविंग नल कैरेक्टर एडेड एट द एंड. ठीक है, आई बात समझ में. अब इसी चीज को अगर मैं कहूं, इफ आई एम सेइंग द सेम थिंग, array name stores what? You remember yesterday I told you array name is a pointer, only single name, array name only is a pointer which stores the base address of the array. Remember that? The same thing we can do. What? Same thing we can do, and that is what? Like this way. So either you will make a string like that way, this way, or you will make it like that way. समझ में आई बात? Why we are doing this? You know what happens? First of all, H, then E, then L, then O, then null character. This will be a string created. What happens? This is a character array created. There will be a pointer P. That particular pointer P will store the address of the base address here. Base address. A pointer P will store the base address here. आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can make string like this way. You can make string like that way. So the first element's address will be stored in pointer P here, in CH here. Simple. हम और डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, साइज एटसेट्रा, स्ट्रिंग ये वो, just because we don't need it for data structure purpose. Okay, for data structure purpose we don't need much. We don't need it much. Okay, so we'll just understand one thing, that sir, can we create GATE by watching Unacademy lecture which is available on YouTube? Ankit Singh ji, yes, you can do it. अब ये तुम पे डिपेंड करता है. इट इज डिपेंडेंट टोटली ऑन यू, दैट हाउ गुड यू आर इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग and finding out that this is the material which I want to learn and this is the material which I want to go for. If you can understand by yourself, yes, you can do that. चल, so we'll not do much of these string etc. इससे ज्यादा हमको जरूरत भी नहीं है. Okay, we don't need much of this, but just we wanted to understand that what is a string. Now if you want to access entire string in a single statement, let's say you want to print that complete string which is pointed by P, क्या लिखोगे? जल्दी से स्टेटमेंट बताओ. अगर आपको वो स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट करना है जो P पॉइंटर से स्टार्ट होके और स्टार्ट हो रही है, ये वाली पूरी स्ट्रिंग, तो क्या लिखोगे? जल्दी से बताओ. What will be the printf statement you will write? A single statement. देखिए, usually to access entire character array or any array, you will have to write a loop. That first you will access index 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Usually you write a loop actually. You write a loop to access the entire array. But here you don't have to write the loop. If you are accessing the string, you will have to write a single statement and you can print entire string. How? बताओ जल्दी से, कैसे लिखोगे? स्टेटमेंट क्या आएगा? प्रिंटफ. क्या लिखूं आगे प्रिंटफ के? बताओ जल्दी से, बताओ रे, बताओ जल्दी से, बताओ. किसी को पता है? Either you can use some functions or you can utilize a character specifier string specifier, format specifier, %s. What you will write? %s comma p. That's it. Starting from address p, there is a string, print it. When you will do this, string will be printed till what time? Till what? Until you get the very first \0. जब तक आपको पहला \0 नहीं आ जाता, तब तक आप क्या करोगे? आप पूरा प्रिंट कर दोगे. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम p पॉइंटर आप पूरा स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट कर दोगे. तो क्या करोगे आप? यहां पे हेलो प्रिंट कर दोगे. आई बात समझ में? चलो, इतना बहुत है स्ट्रिंग के लिए, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के लिए. मुझे लगता नहीं कि इससे ज्यादा कुछ यूज होगा. नेक्स्ट थिंग वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इज एलियासिंग. एंड व्हाट इज एलियासिंग? अच्छा, why I am laughing? Just because I remember my childhood also. You will remember your college time and etc etc also. Everybody, whoever is listening a current lecture, is having another second name given by your friends. Yes, and that is so secret name. Only your friends are calling you with that name. Having? है कोई ऐसा नाम? सबका एक ऐसा नाम है जो आपको आपके दोस्तों ने दिया है अलग से, है ना? जो निकनेम आप लोगों को आपके दोस्त देते हैं, बड़ा स्पेशल वाला होता है ना? ऐसा कोई नाम? यस और नो? टेल मी. यस, यस होता है ना? Yes, happens it like that way? Yes. So, in the program also, when you write the programs, you might provide some identifier, multiple names. You may specify an identifier with multiple names. Right? Happens? Same thing happens. Let's say there is a variable. You want to give another name to that variable. आप बोलोगे सर ऐसा जरूरत क्यों आन पड़ी? See what happens when you go for more practical results. When you go for more practical results or more practical implementations, one thing can be known as some name for you, but some other name for somebody else. Like it's very simple thing. Let's say you go to a shop. You are purchasing something. So from that shop, on your perspective, you are buying something. Yes, so for your perspective, that item is that item which you are purchasing. But for the perspective of shopkeeper, the same item is sale item or selling item. तो एक item आपके लिए है purchase item, that fellow is having that as sell item. So now what happens if we have two different programs, one for customer, one for seller, then definitely those two programs should refer these single item in two different names. Why? Just because practicality I'll have to understand. So when you implement multiple or implement different kind of, practical scenarios, what happens? You just provide a variable name in one function, name of a variable, or in one particular program, a variable name is this, another program, another function, the variable, same variable is having some other name. Like I am having my name with you all is Vishvadeep sir. Fine, but for my friends, my name is VD. Same person, yes, but two different places, name is two different things. Right? So what happens? That if you want to provide or if you want to give multiple names to the same variable, that is called as aliasing. In English word also, you say, right, Shah Rukh Khan alias as the King Khan or Badshah of the Bollywood. You call it like that way? Yes. Sachin Tendulkar alias Master Blaster. होता है ऐसा. It happens. Yes. How you give the aliasing or how you make the aliasing? It's very simple thing. There is a very specific syntax for it. कैसे? देखो, let's say I have made an integer variable a. with value 5. I have defined an integer variable a with value 5. So in the RAM memory, a variable is created with value a, name a, value 5. Cool. Definitely some base address should also be there. Let's say base address is 200 for this integer value in the memory. I want to give the same variable another name. मैं चाहता हूं कि इसी वेरिएबल को एक और नाम दिया जाए. क्या करेंगे? Let's give another name in this way. Integer ampersand x is equal to a. This is a very specific syntax, boss. ये बहुत specific syntax है ना? Syntax है, ऐसे ही लिखते हैं. The name, new name you want to write, left side and right side variable name. Okay, if you write like this way, another variable created and the name of the variable, no any new variable created, only another reference to that same variable a is created, another name to that same variable a is created. Matlab, if you will write here x plus plus and then you write a plus plus, you will try to print a value of a, or in fact you will try to print value of x. What happens to the values? A value 5, x is also 5, same to same है यार. तुम बोलोगे COA मुझे विश्वदीप सर से पढ़ना है या COA मुझे VD सर से पढ़ना है, सेम टू सेम चीजें, just because two different names but person is same to same. So what happens if you are printing value of a is increased and increased, it becomes 6 and then 7, it will print 7, it will print 7. This is aliasing. A or x, just two different names of the same memory location, same variable. That is called as aliasing. Like कर दो यार सेशन को. Sorry. क्लियर है क्या ये एलियाजिंग? क्लियर है? अब ये जो एलियाजिंग है ना, ये क्यों यूज होती है? When you learn the functions, in the functions, when you call a function, you can have three different possibilities. One, you call by value. Second, you call by reference through aliasing. And third, you call by address and catch it in the pointer. ठीक है? ये aliasing मैं इसलिए पढ़ा रहा हूं. Why I am teaching you this aliasing, just because there was a question in GATE in recursion and it was using this aliasing concept. है ना? तो ये जो aliasing का concept है वो कुछ ही compilers में present है. In some of the compilers only it is present. In fact, mostly C++ compiler is having this one, but we are learning it just because there was a question in GATE. है ना? ठीक है, चलो. Next thing is functions, but this we will do tomorrow. Why? Just because today I'm having some other work. I'll have to close this particular session little early. So this function we will do tomorrow. Functions we will learn tomorrow, and tomorrow that will be the end. So tomorrow we will finish this basics, and after that, tomorrow is the last class. We will discuss the functions, and after that we will start data structure. As soon as we can do that, we will start data structure. ठीक है? So C programming basics, tomorrow will be the last class. We'll talk about functions and its calling and how you call, what is the meaning of function call, how that function call impact the different programming paradigm. And then after that, we will start the data structure immediately. Not tomorrow, of course, but in the next session, whenever it will be possible. I will announce in a special session that how we can start data structure, from where, when, and what will be the timing, etc. So data structure will be starting, so that whatever these basics we have learned, using those basics, we can continue that data structure and we can enjoy learning and understanding, just because you won't have any problem of understanding any kind of algorithm or C programming basics because of that. So timing and all, for that I will come live for one day and will discuss with you all that these are the timing available, at what time we should have it. And based on that, we will announce that data structure will start from this date and this is the timing, etc. Do we need to learn C++ also? No. For GATE, no. Okay, fine. So data structure we will start once tomorrow this particular class is over. After that, as soon as possible, we will try to start it, so that you guys can have the kickstart of the GATE preparation. Okay. How to get internship? For that, you need to prove that you have skill set. You will have to prove that you have skill set through the competitive programming and different competitions these companies are conducting. Okay, chaliye. Anybody wants to have the class PDFs of our previous lectures, want to have the links of our lectures, and want to know what are the next future plans we are going to have, offers, etc. from the team, then you just join this Telegram channel. Anyone here, whoever is preparing for GATE very seriously and want to join Unacademy Plus or Iconic, join it very soon, so that you start the next class, next course very efficiently. And that particular thing on Plus or Iconic, whichever subscription you will take, use this code VDEEP10, so that you get 10% instant discount, plus my personal guidance, plus my team support, plus this offer. What is the offer? If you take 12-month subscription, 3 months extra will be added into your profile. And if you take subscription for 24 months, then you will get 4 months extra added into your profile. And this offer is only up to 25th of Feb, only 2 days now onwards. So take the subscription and enjoy your best quality learning. A new batch started from today. Yes, my dear friend, new batch started from today, batch F for Ascend and Evolve. For GATE 23 and 24, new batches started today. If you want to take subscription for Unacademy Plus with more discount, you have this offer. Offer is what? You just participate for GATE Combat. GATE Combat is our scholarship test. This Sunday, 11 AM, you are going to have for 60 minutes. You will be having 20 questions to solve. If you can solve these questions quickly, and if you can get the rank in top, then you will be getting up to 100% discount. How to enroll for this? Within the video's description section, link is given, or in the web browser, you just search in the search engine Unacademy GATE Combat, you will get a link. As soon as you get the link, use the code VDEEP10 to unlock this scholarship test. Remember, Sunday 11 AM, you are going to have this test. Plus, apart from the test and scholarship, in that test, if you perform well, or even if you don't perform well, but if you are participating, you will stand a chance to win a MacBook, Apple iPad, Samsung phone, Samsung watch, and Amazon vouchers. So look at this. If you want to win these prizes, then participate. Just because 500 lucky participants will win these gift vouchers. Okay, if you like the video, enjoyed the video, please like the session, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification, share the details of this particular video and all the channel content to all of your friends, junior, senior, everywhere. You can of course pay us back with your small efforts, so that so many people who are striving, who are actually having a craving to have the quality learning, can contact or can connect with us. Thank you so much for joining. Once again, happy learning. See you in the next session. Bye bye.